Hey, my name is Kate, and I have this Bible verses jar that was sent to me by the brand. I haven't opened it yet. I just peeled the sticker, so I want you to check it out. And of course, I'm coming to you from my bathroom because it's like the only place in my house that I can get some peace and quiet. So let's take a look. Oh, it comes really nicely packaged. I love when they're in styrofoam and tightly packaged so you don't have to worry about it breaking, especially if you send it as a gift. What a cute little jar. Right on here, it says, for you, read me when you're happy, thankful, angry, anxious, lonely, sad. They're color-coded Bible verses, and there's 96 of them. So when you get it, each one of them are bundled together. So when you're feeling a certain way, you reach in and pick one. So let's do it. Pop the lid, and I don't know what the little string is for. I'll have to look at the instructions. So how am I feeling today? I actually was feeling a little anxious this morning. I told my husband that, so let's do anxious. Pull one out. It laughs at fear, afraid of nothing. It does not shy away from the sword. Job 3922. Sweet. Let's try another one. I'm going to do happy. I got to get my finger in there. You make known to me the path of life. You will fill me with joy in your presence, with eternal pleasures at your right hand. Psalm 16:11. They're very cute. I have to say, I do think it's a really nice gift. Cast your anxiety on him because he cares for you. And that's Peter, verse 5:7. So I think this is actually a very cute little gift, especially for a person that you know is really devoted to their faith. And 96 of these, I think it's a very cute gift. Maybe I'll give it to my daughter. She goes to a Catholic high school, and I think that she would appreciate this. So check it out.